Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, Car System Installation. They're going to show you Cerwin Vega amplified subwoofer installed on Porsche 911 2003. So we have installed the amplified subwoofer in the back of the passenger seat. As you can see, very sleek, very small. There's not a lot of room with this in this vehicle, so we're trying to add some bass. It's very challenging. So we've installed it in here. We've reinforced it in a way so it won't move and won't shake, won't have any issues. Obviously connected to our Pioneer double-in radio that we've installed in this vehicle also. And you get some nice bass sound in this vehicle, much better than the factory. In this case it didn't even have a factory option, so we added the subwoofer. For amplifiers, subs and other electronics for vehicles, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.